Hi guys, and welcome to this Divi WordPress theme tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignertechtips.com. In this series of videos we're going to be building a one-page scrolling website with the Divi WordPress theme. And this theme's got some great things. It's got some video sliders, we've got animations, got a bit of CSS going on there. Got a video background. And in this series of videos I'm going to show you how easy it is to actually put this site together. We'll start from scratch and we'll work from the header all the way down to the footer. We've included some great features like a back to the top button and some smooth scrolling to get to our various sections here. And although Divi has some great built-in themes and templates, this is for people that want to build their own from scratch, and it really is quite easy, especially with the new Divi builder. For those of you that haven't got Divi, you can get it from my affiliate link below this video, or you can go to elegantthemes.com and get it from there. So let's get started building this site. Okay, so let's move down and do our team section. Let's go back to our page editor. And add another standard section. Now, I'm just going to put in a single row for the moment because I want to put a title in. And we'll use a text module for this. Let's give it a title. And let's make that H2 or heading 2. Drop down a little bit. And I'm just going to select that. I'm going to make that our little blue color again. So just hit the little arrow beside the A there, hit custom, put in our code here, click on the one above it and it puts it in. Save that, and that should be our blue color there. Now again I'm going to use a bit of lorem ipsum dummy text and get the link below this video, or just Google lorem ipsum. And let's just take a paragraph, shall we? That ought to do it. Back to our page, and we'll paste this below. Now I want this to be centered, so I go to the design tab. I want the color to be dark, which is fine. I think my font styles are going to stay exactly the same, and my heading. So the text orientation I want as centered. Let's take a quick look. Yeah, that's going to be fine, I believe. So let's save and exit. Now I want to add our actual people. So let's add another row, and I'm going to include 3 people because in my assets folder over here I've got 3 images that I'll use. Okay, and let's add a people module. I think it's called people or person module. There we are. Okay, and the first one I'm going to call her Paula. And she's going to be our CEO. And you can put their Facebook, LinkedIn profiles. I'll just put a couple of hashtags in here so it'll load them. Obviously you'd want to put in their proper URLs for their profiles there. And let's just Put a little bit of dummy text in describing them. Don't want too much because don't want it to be too deep. So I should think I'll probably do it. And again, I want this to be centrally aligned, so I'll do that in a moment. Let's put an image in for Paula. Just drag one of those images in that I had in my assets folder here. There we go. Okay, don't want a background or a background color. We're just going to leave it white. Let's just take a look. So I'm going to click on this rather than save the whole page and look at it and see what we've got so far. There we go. I forgot to center align it. Okay, so what I want more of a gap between the image and the heading there. I think I want that heading to be a little larger and blue, and also our social media icons, I'd like those to be blue as well. So let's take care of that. Okay, let's have a look in the design tab, icon color. Put in our little blue color yet again. Icon hover color, I'll leave that as is. Image, that's fine at the moment. Don't want to put a box shadow under it. Okay, text colors dark, that's fine. Text orientation, we want it centered. And our heading 4, I think we've been using 24 pixels, haven't we? So let's just put that up to 24 pixels. Give it that blue color. And let's move this up to 24. Let's have a look what we've got. Okay, that's a lot closer to what I'm looking at. There's our icons, they've turned blue. Everything's centralized now. I think I'd still like to see a little more gap between the title and the image. Let's see if we can do that with a bit of custom CSS. So I'm on the advanced tab. There's the member image. So let's give her a margin on the bottom of, say, 30 pixels. See if that helps. Let's just take a look at that. It's better. Let's make that 50. Could still do with it being a little bit more, so there's more separation there. Yeah, let's call that 50 pixels. Let's take a look now. Yeah, I'm happy with that. That'll work for me. So let's do what we normally do and just clone this module. And Simon. And what is Simon? Call him Chief Financial Officer, CFO. Everything else can stay the same. Of course, we're going to want to change his picture. Or perhaps it's Simone. I'm sure that's got an E on the end of it. Okay, so there's Simon. That's all we should have to do there. I guess I could have changed the admin name there so it says Simon. Let's just do that quickly, just for future reference. And same again. Let's call this one Jenny. And what can Jenny be? Chief Technical Officer, CTO. That all stays the same. I think we're good to go. Oh no, that's Simon. Let's put the correct picture in there. Set that as the image. Again, I forgot to change the admin name. Let's do that quickly. Not that it really matters, there's only 3 of them. Okay, well, let's have a quick look, see what we've got. Then we'll go back to the full site and view it. Yeah, that's absolutely fine. Let's save that. Update. And preview our changes. There we go. There's our little team section. Yep, I'm happy with that. Fantastic.